you've been away all night.
Woman,
Hurts me deep inside when I see you crying.
right. Later on, so some nice.
Ooh, I'll make it right.
So,
If you understand how I feel, ooh, you should know my love is
come
true.
now.
Tell me what you want me to do, sweet baby. My love is always here for you. So tell me what you want me to do.
Yeah, on to the left, right, one, Mr. Arthur Black is down there, we are with them full. Find out before the article, BarryCulture. One, two.
Tell me, baby.
Yeah.
Call me up, and I came to see you. Said you've been away all night.
Hey.
Hurts me deep inside when I see you crying. Whatever's wrong, you know I'll make it right.
Go!
If you understand how I feel, ooh, you should know my love is real.
Well, alright.
Tell me what you want me to do, sweet baby.
Yeah.
My love is always here for you. So tell me what you want me to do. How much I care for you. Don't keep saying it's too late.
One, two.
After all that we've been through.
Well, alright.
Girl, I'm begging you, see, come down on my knees. Ooh, you should know that my love is real.
With the thing, dog.
Tell me what you want me to do, oh, baby. My love is always here for you. So tell me what you want me to do.
Yeah, out to the minds of the one late great Mr. Arthur Black is down there, yeah, with all honors and respect, Mr. Deacon Pastor the Pro. Alright, respect, enough respect. I want to say big respect to all ladies inside the house, man. Yeah, it's going to welcome to all youth and youth, all sound man, the slam, the good south side state scene. Yeah, it's going to BarryCulture alongside the most done. Yeah, it's going to be kind of fast side speed, you like function, for the big ups, anyway you do. In the meantime, you like Sanchez, listen. Now, ladies.
When you're young,
So
you're afraid of the dark. When you grow up, you're not afraid of the dark. You listen to your heart that's telling you from deep within. Don't be afraid, let your love begin.
I tell you.
I remember the night I met you.
That's it.
When you said that we will never part, and now you're leaving, taking another, leaving me standing with a broken heart. Yeah, I don't wanna be the one who said I wanna miss you, but I will. But I don't wanna say I'm gonna cry, baby, but I will. You know I will. I'm not ashamed for you to know how much I really love you so.
That's it. Yeah, early come on.
But I'm the one who told you I will.
Yeah, to the early one.
Live forever and I will.
Ladies, you always nice. I tell you.
So kiss me, honey, honey, kiss me. Thrill me, honey, honey, thrill me. Don't care even if I blow my top, honey, honey. Don't stop. One more time. Kiss me, honey, honey.
Tick off.
Rough time and dread time. Father against father, father fights against his son. I'm no angel, but you know the devil is no friend of mine. We gotta make it stop.
Yep, to Luciano, Jones Whale, Charlie Chaplin Tinker.
Man got to be conscious.
Rougher than the days of Saturday tomorrow. One damn day, gonna be bloodshed. For wicked people, enjoy your game.
Wicked Pisacho man, no listen.
I go trade in a dita Amagidian. It a go trade in a dita Amagidian. It a go trade in a dita Amagidian. It a go trade in a dita Amagidian. Fire wine phone in a dita Amagidian. Look it a go run in a dita Amagidian. And again phone in a dita Amagidian. Our mercy, just to turn on.
I will not be afraid to call the Father's name. While the rich man does the crime and not the poor man gets the
So where's the virgin?
Rebel now, rebel now, rebel now, rebel with the God.
Watch it.
Rebel now, rebel now, rebel now, rebel now, rebel with the God. Look, she gonna tell them.
So you can seek in the light of time, and you can see the evil in your life. Facing so
That's it, to our easy. Thanks on to reality. Real massive. And don't forget the correct word and Steel Rhymes on us. You can check it out. Steel Rhymes over the bar. See? In the meantime, it's a Luciana. Alongside the Luciana, Reggae Culture. Sheriff of Below. So we're going to start. Listen.
Why can't we live as one?
This is straight the wickedest way. Luciano. Terror Fabulous, Louis Culture Tinker.
Wasted my time. Will try to deal with mankind.
And not the very other things to do.
But it tickles in the back of my mind. Will just to leave this world behind.
That's it.
I guess I'm not the only one. Not the only one to see. Mankind living in tranquility.
You and I see why.
And if only we agree.
Now to the valley
we can live in unity.
My sisters and brothers.
We're all in this thing together.
Wicked Pisacho man, listen.
Can't we all just live as one? Whoa. We're all like birds of one feather.
Louis Culture.
It's time to live as one.
Hallelujah.
Loving one another, what a sight to say. Peace and love and unity. And that me want in my community. Oh yes, it's something nice to see the kids in the park. Running up together without gunshots.
And I'll tell them and trust me, that was nicely. On the beach side. Culture. Culture. Luciano, listen. Tinker. No, no, listen. No! No! Now pull me up and reach some man. Let me down tell you one more time and trust him and show you about like that. That's 21 more. Thanks, Culture. I don't know what you. Who don't listen? So when you say Luciano?
We be most high God, King of kings, Lord of love, worthy to be praised. I ascribe to you dominion, power and praise. For all the years and years.
Hell can't just shoot on you. Bounce out.
It's me again, God, and the fall my knees today.
He's you like Charlie.
God, I
And the girl.
pray.
I ain't Jim Owens.
It's me again, God, and the fall my knees today. Help me, God, I pray. Preserve my soul today.
I see.
Look around the world today, oh God, and you will see Pharisees and backbiters taking up in vanity. But I know you control my destiny. I know you are blessings flow from yesterday, even today, and tomorrow. It's me again, God, as I fall my knees today.
Trust the man for real, man. Wickedness and show my youth like Lucian. I'm actually trust me. I tell you, Don, it's still dream me last night, man. I tell you, I'm going to a youth dream. I tell me, man, for real. I have a dream last night. Don, it's still dream. And this is dream. Listen. Hey, what you done it? What your dreams are, my youth?
There were 7 Spanish angels.
Now yes!
7 Spanish angels.
You want my dreams to know?
Down in the deep brown night, she could say a prayer for me.
Hey!
Keep her arms around her.
Whoa!
We said God will keep us safe.
Whoa!
They could hear the riders.
Whoa!
We said this is my fight. If they take me back, we take me. There were 7 Spanish.
I believe me, I'm telling one trust you, man. I enjoy it, and shit. Now, to get my concern down and say one more time. Think on. Spanish angel.
There were 7 Spanish angels.
Yeah.
7 Spanish angels. Look down in her deep brown eyes. She could say,
Now, Sherman, link up.
she threw her arms around her. Whispered, God will keep us safe. They could hear the riders coming. He said, this is my last fight. If they take me back, we take sides. They won't take me back alive. There were 7 Spanish angels on the altar of the sun. They were praying for the lovers in the valley of the sun. When the bottle stopped and the smoke cleared, there was thunder from the throne. The 7 Spanish angels took another angel home.
Now, what you done it to me, we keep it on you. Now,
Here
it's
I
over.
come again, Jaja.
Be honest.
Before